Hi guys, so let me show you the free transitions you can use for your videos. There are a lot of free transitions you can use for a video on the Inshot app, and you want to insert your videos. I inserted like 5 different videos, like 3 videos, so I cut them into pieces, split them into pieces so I can do transitions that will be very clear for you. So you are going to click on this little dot around here that is showing that it's a separate video. So if you click on it like this, it's going to give you the transitions. There are paid transitions like this, and there are free transitions like this is nothing. So let's try this transition out. I like this, it's very cool. So I'm going to click OK on it. So my player goes this way. This is the second one. Let's click on it. Let's look for, this is the second one. This is something like it too. Let's use another one. Good. Okay, so let's go to the third transition. This looks alike this, almost the same thing, up, down, left and right. Okay, let's keep it this way. So you can actually change transition timer depending on how fast you want it to be. That's the reason why I'm increasing this place. So if I reduce it, it's going to go slowly. Yes, so I chose this. So even if it is this I chose, the timer is going to work on how fast I want it to be. Let me keep it slow. Yes, like this. Good. So I can decide to put a timer for each and every one of the transitions I decide to use. Let's pick another transition. We click here, remember, and we are picking the next transition style, which is this. That is the last one, and I can decide to use this. Okay, so let's look for another transition. Let's start from the beginning. Let's change this transition and look for another one here. You can't use all this because they are Inshot Pro. You have to pay for them. The glitch 2 is paid. The film, I think this is free. Yes. The solve 2 is free. I like this too. It's a very cool feature. But the rest are paid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the post notification bell so that you can get more content that I post. So let's check it out. Exactly, makes a lot of sense.